Hey DE, my name is Melanie.
And my name's Issa. Welcome back to DETV.
Have you heard of Girls IT?
No, I haven't.
Well, here's more information on what that is.
Welcome back, DE.
Varsity softball had a scrimmage last week.
Here are some clips from the scrimmage.
If I could see through walls, I could see it faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see your faces. Safe in my rental, like an army truck back then. We didn't give a fuck back then. I ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. We tried to six, had the X6 back then. Back then, no matter what I did, my waves wouldn't dip back then. Everything sucked back then, we were friends. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you.
DETV will be continuing right after this break.
Hey everyone, this upcoming month, which is March, we are going to be raising money for DTV at Sombreros. If you want to come support, the location of the Sombreros is at 50 North Estrella Parkway in Goodyear. The date is also March 21st, 2024. The phone number for Sombreros is also 623-440-6882. Please stop by if you want to help DTV and raise some money. And their food is also really good. So, yeah, hope to see you there. Thank you.
That's all there is today.
See you next time, DE.
Bye.